it's a coronavirus survival story that provided hope during the first wave of the pandemic. A man beating the virus after 49 days at Sarasota Memorial Hospital. And as 8 on Your Side's Justin Shecker explains, his family is now paying it forward.
Dr. Steve Heffler tells 8 on Your Side he feels sadness about the record number of COVID-19 hospitalizations across the country.
John Denver, Country Roads. They played that for me in the ICU.
And they sang 77-year-old Dr. Steve Heffler's favorite song during his send-off in May after 7 weeks at Sarasota Memorial Hospital.
What really became clear to me during my hospitalization, or when I recovered and came out of the hospital, was what my wife went through, what my family went through.
While isolated in the ICU with COVID-19, a small gesture kept Dr. Heffler and his family connected.
It gave us hope, and it gave us connection that we would not have had otherwise.
A nurse powered up the retired pediatrician's cell phone with his own charger.
One of the angels would hold up the cell phone, and we would talk to him. We would give him, the rah-rah speeches, come on, Dad.
Unconscious at the time, Dr. Heffler doesn't remember those FaceTime calls.
We knew he heard them was because the nurses would tell us that when he heard our voices, his blood pressure would rise.
Visitation rules have been restricted because of the contagious virus, but the nonprofit Charge Power is providing a simple solution for a problem that hospital patients had before the pandemic.
Their cell phone was dead, they had no way of reaching out to their loved ones. So COVID just highlighted a problem that we already knew existed. People ask us for chargers all the time. Dr.
Heffler's son, John, has partnered with San Diego-based emergency medicine doctor Vic Gulati.
No one should be alone for the holidays, especially if you're hospitalized.
Their mission is to distribute phone chargers to healthcare facilities nationwide.
I am so humbled by the small thing that our nurse did for Steve has grown into this massive effort of importance to people in the most critical times of their lives.
Dr. Gulati says they have the supply of thousands of chargers during the winter surge.
We are no longer collecting donations. We are literally just trying to get them out to anybody, any hospital system that needs it.
Dr. Heffler is proud of his son and the ER doctor for their efforts to help patients stay connected with their families while fighting COVID-19.
Well done, guys. Well done. It's needed.
Charge Power has teamed up with COVID Tech Connect. That second nonprofit is donating tablets to hospitals across the country during the pandemic. We have a link on WFLA.com where Florida hospitals can request phone chargers from Charge Power. Reporting in Tampa, I'm Justin Shecker, 8 on Your Side.
Justin, thank you. So many small things we don't think about that make a big impact, like just having a cell phone charger.
I mean, and when you need it, you need it.
That's true.
You no other way to get power.